This niche is going viral on social media right now, and it is absolutely massive. If you look at this page on screen called Mini Rescue, they are pulling in huge numbers with 9.5 million views on a single post and another one with 616,000 views. These accounts are blowing up because the videos are incredibly satisfying to watch, and they tap into a weird sense of relief. It is a completely unsaturated niche with high engagement, which means the revenue potential is great if you are in the Creator Rewards program. To show you the proof, here is what I made in 10 minutes. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, you need to come up with some creative ideas for these rescue scenes, so you should open up ChatGPT and paste in a content strategy prompt. You want to tell the AI to act as a viral content strategist and ask it for high-stakes historical or natural disaster scenes where a giant hand intervenes. Once you hit enter, you will see it generate several options like poor rice farmers facing a monsoon or desert nomads in a sandstorm. You can get all these prompts from my Discord if you do not want to write them yourself. After you pick an idea that you like, you need to turn it into a detailed storyboard. Copy the second prompt from my document, which tells the AI to act as a video director, and paste that into the chat box. This prompt is designed to give you specific image and motion descriptions for a 9:16 aspect ratio. The AI will then break your chosen scene down into 4 distinct segments, including the background, the characters, and the giant hand intervention. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Now that you have your detailed storyboard, you need to generate the actual video clips. Go to Ghostscript using the link in the description and click on the button that says Get Started. On the main dashboard, you will see a list of tools. So look for the one called Kling 3.0 and click Try Now. This will open up the video generation interface where you can start a new chat. Go back to your ChatGPT window and copy the text for Scene 1, which describes the tiny rice farmers in the flooded fields. Paste that text into the message box at the bottom of the Kling interface and then click the arrow icon to start the generation. It will take a few moments to process, but you can see the progress bar moving as it creates your high-fidelity clip. If you are happy with how the hand is interacting with the miniature environment, click the download icon in the top right corner of the video player to save it to your computer. If you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me where I literally answer every question and my short-form content course, then join my community. It is the cheapest it will ever be right now. Now you need to repeat this process with all your clips, just copy and paste them over one by one, and you'll have content for days. If you want to master this workflow and get personalized help with your channel, come join us in the coaching program today.